Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 55-inch console table, actually TV stand or TV table that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say, number one, about the assemble. Everything is explained right here. It is super easy to do. Actually, my wife did it, and I was busy with something else, and my wife did it, and I think it took her probably like 40 minutes, no more than that, with power tools. So this one is going to be super easy to assemble. Then I gotta talk about the wood aspect. It has like a really nice wooden feel, wooden aspect. My cat is right here, so that's why I was kind of like scared about it. And this one has that really nice wooden feel, a wooden aspect that is gonna give it that industrial farmhouse style, you know, so that's actually kind of good. And the other good thing I like about this one is the metal frame. It has a really solid metal frame, strong metal frame that is gonna keep it in place. So this one, it is about, I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, probably not with my cat, but then this one is on measurements. She's gonna jump. Yeah. So about the measurements, this one, it is 55 inches long by 24 inches deep and 14 inches on that side. So that's actually kind of like, I want to say, enough for a TV up to 65 inches. You know, when they have the TVs have the kind of like the legs there, like on the edges of the TV, on the ends of the TV, this is for 65 inches TV. But let me tell you that if the TV has a stand in the middle, the only thing restraining you to go for a bigger TV is the weight. This one supports up to, I want to say 65, 66 pounds on top of this one. So measure your TV, measure the legs of the TV, kind of like the stand, and of course measure the weight that TV just to know how much it's going to weigh. So let's check it out on a closer look now. From here, you can see a little bit more of the metal frame and the X-shaped frame on the sides, and of course they're gonna be the three shelves that you have: the bottom, the middle, and the top one. That wooden feel that I was telling you before, that with the metal frame is gonna give it that industrial farmhouse style. It looks really good even with the screws on plain side. I think that's intended to be more industrial and looks really, really nice. But the other good thing about this is that the screws over here, actually the legs, you can adjust the height of the legs. So for example, this kind of like place in my house, it's a little bit uneven. So with this one, I can adjust the height of these legs individually. So that's actually really good. And see, you can see that this one is uneven on the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this part, extend the legs, and now it is solid. So that is a really good thing. And since the legs kind of like are made of rubber, so you can move it freely and it won't damage your wooden floor if you had a wooden floor, for sure. So one more time, this is a 55 inches one. They also have the 63 inches, I think, like a bigger one. And of course the assembly process was easy and looks really good with this wooden feels over here for like going for the farmhouse industrial style. Looks good, super firm and solid. And of course it could be a really nice entertainment center for your TV, your console, your audio, your photos, your candles, whatever decoration you want to put in here. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.